right now, gold has broken out to all-time record highs. We're above 2,600 US dollars per ounce. We continue to move into price discovery. Silver has also broken back above the swing highs. It's above $31.50 per ounce. Oil, exactly as we detailed to you previously, has broken back above 70 US dollars per barrel, giving us yet again another windfall amount of profit after we entered into a dozen positions the previous week on WTI crude oil. Alongside that, we've seen platinum break out towards $1,000 per ounce. Palladium gave us a windfall amount of profit over this month of more than 10,000 points profit. It has been absolutely immense, back-to-back wins here in the portfolio. Now, some of you have reached out regarding this, that we talked you through big opportunities to be buying at the swing lows recently, particularly on WTI crude oil, but you're not sure about what to do at the moment on this market. Let me give you a clue. Take some profit off the table. Take some profit, right? This is the key today, right? So what you want to be aware of is the Federal Reserve, middle of the week, they went in with a much bigger rate cut than anticipated, right? So they went for 50 basis points. What happened off the back of that? Complete chop fest for the market. Initially, gold, silver, platinum, palladium, WTI crude oil, they had a massive impulse move, broke out to the upside, and we saw, of course, gold break out to all-time record highs. Within about an hour or two, once we got Jerome Powell's press conference out of the way, markets, they all dumped in the opposite direction. What did this mean? It meant many traders, after they FOMO'd in, they got chopped up, of course, and then they started to look for sell-short opportunities, thinking it was a sell the news event. What happened when China got back from their 3-day public holiday on the Wednesday night to Thursday? They bought up every single risk on asset, and as a result, in the morning on Thursday, everything was significantly higher. Stocks, commodities, crypto, you name it. Everything had a massive impulse move higher here later in the week. So what do you think we've been doing? Banking profit, scaling out of profit, of course. This is the way you want to do it. Buy low and then, of course, sell high. Whereas the price right now is quite high. Stocks are all-time record highs. Gold is breaking out to all-time record highs. Oil recovered back above 70 US dollars per barrel. So we're taking the opportunity here to scale out a profit. Furthermore, you have not seen that much profit taking take place in the market right now. If you want to look in your performance for a quarter, what are we moving into next week, in the next couple of weeks? It's the end of the quarter. Doesn't count on your portfolio unless you book profit. What do you think is going to start happening? Professional traders and investors in particular, they have to start booking profit for their quarterly performance. Look at stocks. They're at all-time record highs. Look at gold. It's at all-time record highs. Look at multiple commodities. Look at cryptocurrencies and so forth. They've had massive breakouts over the last week here. This is natural, a rotation out of risk on assets here just to lock in some profit, and therefore what's the play right now? We've doubled down here and started to add positions here on the dollar index. In fact, the best trade that we actually got on the dollar was on the day of the FOMC statement, sniping in when the dollar very briefly broke back towards the 100 level. We've been able to get our best trade on there. We've added to the dollar throughout this week. All of those trades are currently in profit. The dollar is starting that momentum, which often happens as you move into the end of September. Remember, Friday, quad witching. What does this mean? Generally speaking, it's a risk-off event. As you get towards the close, you could see profit taking. But if it's not, later on in the day on Friday, expectation would be you're going to see that profit taking start to take place towards the end of September and into October. Then you've got China on a 1-week public holiday. You have Israel on public holidays. You're naturally just going to see profit taking in the market. So again, don't get complacent. If you're in a windfall amount of profit, if you've got a lot of profit at the moment, it's not a bad idea to lock in some of your profits here, to have that locked in for the month of September, for the quarterly performance, and then start to reassess as we go into next week. By the way, well done to so many of you who have reached out regarding the oil trade. Of course, we were talking you through huge opportunities here. We banged the drum with you just a week and a half ago. There was such an immense opportunity buying at the swing lows down at 65, 66, 67 US dollars per barrel. Now, not everyone agreed with us regarding this, but that's no problem. If everyone agreed with us, the trade is probably not going to work. It's good that not everyone agreed with us, but you can see the end result has been a windfall amount of profit. Go over to the WTI crude oil chart now. You will see the result of all of our analysis. What we talked to you through previously has played out. Oil is back above $70 a barrel. So any position essentially you got in sub $70 a barrel, it's in profit. So well done. Congratulate everyone who's also capitalized on the opportunity. But again here, don't be complacent. Make sure if you've got a windfall amount of profit that you're regularly locking it in and bricklaying your account. That's the result we want for everybody who watches this channel. And of course, if you're not making money in commodities right now, you should be. You should be absolutely crushing it. It's been absolutely immense over the summer here and into the September rate cut decision from the Federal Reserve. We've seen the markets go absolutely bonkers, and it's provided yet again another windfall amount of profit for you. But don't forget, to lock in those profits. And of course, if you would like to learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence, definitely ditch those outdated momentum-based technical analysis strategies, which will keep getting you in at the top of the move. Don't get FOMO here. A lot of markets are broken out. Don't chase the move. You want to be buying low, buy as low as possible in these markets, bank at the highs, rinse and repeat. Further compound that with the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, the capital flows, extremely important. Be aware that we're moving towards the end of the quarter now. End of quarter profit taking will be rife over the next couple of weeks here at the end of September. Then further compound that as well with how the hedge funds, the money managers, the banks, the institutions, how they're all positioned in the market in real time. This is all going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.